Hello, everybody. I welcome you to the School Leads platform. Before moving on, let us look at a few very important details. We do not charge anything per student. We give unlimited students, staff, and cloud storage for all subscription plans. And our price never changes for existing users. For more details, you can please check out the contact information in the description and you can directly reach out to us. Let's get started. In this video, let us understand how to use the Result Publisher feature on the School Leads platform. Firstly, we need to come on the website and fill in all of our details and log in. Once done, we will be landing on this dashboard where you can see all of these details. This ERP portal is completely customizable as per your needs. We have previously seen a lot of videos about the examination setup feature, including the examination marks, grade system, examination controller. Today, in the examination controller itself, we will be looking at certificate controller and result publish controller. Firstly, to begin with, you need to have set up all of the controller details, including the term for which you want the correction to be done and the exact dates from which you want the exam checking to be allowed. Next up, click on Certificate Controller, select the term for which you want the certificate to be issued and select on class. We are selecting First Wings English, and in the certificates you have multiple options. For example, the basic certificate. Let us zoom in and check what this is all about. So all of these report cards or certificates are just demos. We can totally customize it according to the exact report card that is published by your school. Once you have fixated on one particular certificate, all you need to do is click on Assign Certificate. And you're done. Your certificate is saved successfully. Once you click on OK, and when you scroll down, you will be able to see that the certificate assignments now shows that one certificate is assigned to First English Wings, which earlier showed no certificate assigned. If you want to change the certificate, you have the option for that as well. You can click on this and you will be redirected to the same option. So let us choose the multi-term certificate for now. And we just need to update the certificate and our updates are successfully saved. Next up, let us look at the Result Publish Controller feature. Once you click on this, the same process applies. We need to select the examination term for which we want to publish the result, and you need to checkbox the published button. And we need to submit it, and that is done. The teachers will be able to view the published results on their portal as well. Another important thing that I would like you to focus on is that once the results are published, the teacher's access is automatically closed. And after that, neither can the teacher make any changes, nor can the principal. The reason for this is because after publishing, the certificates for the students are generated. And another important thing is that whichever term's results have been published, they cannot be reverted or unpublished again. And they will not be even showing in the published list. Hence, please make sure to verify all of the details before final publishing. I really hope that this video could have helped you a lot in understanding the School Leads platform. For more such videos, make sure to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for all upcoming videos and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.